Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today will be a quick video on how I created my doormat. I was in Target and I saw a solid doormat for $10, so I figured I would add some words to it. I'm going to start by inserting a square so that I can get the full measurements of the doormat, and then I can size the words on top of it so I know how big to make it. The doormat is 30 inches wide and 18 inches high or long. So I want my doormat to say, "Oh, hello," but I'm gonna do both words in two different fonts. I think I need to change the color of the background so that I can see the words a little bit better. So if you ever want to move your letters in closer together, all you have to do is ungroup the whole word, and then you should be able to move each letter individually as close as you want them to be. When I'm using cursive font or script, I definitely like for the letters to connect as if it's calligraphy. So you may get this message if your word is too wide. So I just readjusted it to 11.5 to make sure that it fit the width of the mat. So I do have a 12 by 24 inch mat, and if you don't, you'll just have to slice the word hello to be able to fit on your 12 by 12 mat. I changed my custom material setting also to parchment paper, which is a good option because I use freezer paper for this project. So here I'm just going through and taking the letters out of the freezer paper. You want it to be a stencil, so you would do the opposite of what you would normally do with iron-on paper or permanent vinyl, because usually we like to leave the words on, but you're actually taking the letters out so that it creates a stencil. So on the mat, you do see those extra pieces that are supposed to be in the letters, but since we took the letters out, I'll have to go back through and weed those off of the mat and then iron them on onto the letters. So to help lay this freezer paper down on the doormat, I'm using my heat press for this. I'm going to use it to help me uncurl it, and then I will go on again, suppress it to make sure that it doesn't lift while I paint on the letters. I've seen a lot of people use their permanent vinyl for this project and then put it on freezer paper, but I think just a freezer paper alone works perfectly fine. Make sure when you're doing this that you are also using outdoor paint so that it won't get ruined being outside through all the weather conditions. You really have to make sure that your freezer paper is really pressed onto the doormat because paint can definitely get underneath the freezer paper if you don't.
So this is the finished result of the doormat. Sorry my video cut off because iPhone storage sucks. But here is how it came out. I actually went back over the letters with a smaller brush and then I sprayed it with a matte finish. Here is the finish that I got. It's clear, so make sure you do get clear so you're not messing up your doormat. But yeah, it was pretty quick and easy. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, please like, and please comment below any questions. Thank you.